I'm Chip.
I'm Brock.
Let's check out some cars. A lot of guys will buy these and turn them into car haulers. And this is the first time that cars became smooth.
That's cool. I've never seen that before.
I'd like to have that car. Welcome to Chip's Picks, brought to you by Hemmings Motor Club. I am Chip Foose. I'm member number 1 of the Motors Club. I'm waiting for you guys to join so we can talk cars, but like I say, I'm Chip.
I'm Brock.
And let's check out some cars.
And let's check out some of the cars I found on Hemmings this week.
I like this cab over.
Yeah, I thought this was sweet. This steel body Ford, yeah.
I don't see what they did with the bed. Is it a car hauler or is it just a pickup?
Well, let's see it from the
back. Oh, there we
side
are.
view, yeah.
Yeah, it looks more like it's just a pickup, but that's really cool.
It's a really long bed. It's cool.
Genco.
So what, normally these are like wagons?
Well, they were big trucks, a cab over for hauling and delivering. So a lot of guys will buy these and turn them into car haulers.
Oh,
That's a handmade bed, but I like the fact that he used the stock Ford pickup fenders and tailgate.
This is a custom job then.
Oh yeah.
This is really nice.
Yeah, Ford never made it like this. He's done a nice job of making everything look like this is the way it could have come from the factory.
It does look like it came from the factory like this. It's really cool.
I like the grill.
Yeah, the grill's nice. That like off-white private collection of Tim McGuire. Okay, well, that's a good one. And then I found this this Model A, this 1930 Model A sedan. They want $24 for this.
Same colors as mine, but mine is unrestored.
Yeah, I was gonna say this one's in pretty good shape. I like the two-tone.
Mm-hmm. It's two-tone green, then all the pinstripes and the black fenders.
Really like the dash.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad. Where's he at? Pennsylvania, Allentown.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The big pencil.
I thought that was a cool one too.
They are fun cars.
And then I found this 51
I
Ford
love this
Victoria.
body style.
Yeah,
When that car came out, it was like a spaceship, because all the cars had big fenders, and this was the first time that cars became smooth.
Really?
Yeah, because there used to be big fenders, exposed. Like the 48 the year before had giant fenders, and this, that was the last year that fenders reflected back into the body. This is all smooth. So you started losing the reflection, but you started looking like these spaceships.
Because I've seen a lot of Ford Victorias. We had one over there in the storage side for a while, but I never saw it this year. I was like, wow, it's so
That's
compact.
a cool car. I like that car.
I really like it too.
What are they asking for that?
They want...
I mean, it's got a great appearance
34 for this.
That's not bad.
Yeah, 9 watchers, so it's getting
You
a
see, I
little
like,
bit.
they had the other cars with the big side, the top was heavy with a small window in the back.
Yeah.
This is the big wraparound window. And you got all that chrome trim, and it's this is the deluxe model. The grill is beautiful. How's the interior in this car?
Let's find out.
If it's all original, it's got the flathead in it still. See, I always loved that instrument panel and the steering wheel.
Yeah, the steering wheel is really cool on this one.
See that with the circle?
Oh.
So as it goes around, you're looking in the circle at what speed you're going.
Huh. I've never seen that before. That's cool. It's kind of open-ended, I feel
you
like.
See, you have the other 4 gauges inside the center.
Oh, yeah.
So the speedometer and then all the other gauges.
Wow.
We cut one of these out and used it in Chuck Spado's 32 3-window coupe.
Oh, okay. That's cool. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, it's
Got the owner's manual and everything, yeah. It's had to have been restored, right?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, this looks way too clean. Wow. Okay, here you go.
Yeah, that's a great price for that car. See, if I were to buy this car, then I'd just drop it down a little bit, put a cool set of wheels on it. Yeah, I would leave all the interior of the motor, just some speed equipment on the motor, and you could have some serious fun with that car.
It's a pretty sweet car.
The other body styles had that heavy-looking top with the smaller back window.
Yeah.
The big wraparound window is really cool on it. That's a decent car. I'd like to have that car.
I picked this one out just because I didn't...
Because we just finished a DeSoto.
Right, yeah, I was pretty unfamiliar with DeSotos.
This is an older one. We just did the 55.
Yeah, this is a 46.
Yeah.
Very different.
What are they asking for that?
They want 11.5.
Yep. Because I was gonna say, this is not a real sought after body, but it looks like a nice example of this car.
Yeah, I thought it was interesting because I didn't even know what a DeSoto was until that one was here, the 55. So I
Chrysler.
got a little interested.
If you're at a budget, if you're in the, looking for something with a budget,
Yeah.
this would be a great car to buy, without spending a lot of money, where you could do a few things to it and turn it into a fun little custom.
Yeah, I mean, production designers out there for period pieces is a great car for that. Good movie prop.
It'd be a great movie car.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's check out the other details here. It's in New York. How many miles are on it? Does it say? Oh, 28.5? That's like not much at
Hopefully
all.
it was stored somewhere nice so that the floors are
Yeah.
solid.
You were saying you were wanting to look at a 40 Cadillac?
Yeah, actually, Wes Rydell is looking for a 40 Cadillac convertible right now. And so I told him I would,
Let's see what we can
keep an
find.
eye out for him.
This is probably the best place to start.
Yeah, or a LaSalle, and then do a 1940 Cadillac LaSalle. Put LaSalle convertible. There's a 40.
Yeah, I think we. Oh, this one? Yeah, I was talking about this one, but it's a 4-door again.
Yeah.
They only want 18.5 for this, but it's got that grille that I think he. I mean, this actually is a 40, so.
That's a LaSalle, but that's a 4-door.
Yeah,
And that would be way too much money to convert, but that looks like a pretty clean car.
I just like that car as it is, to be honest.
Yeah. What are they asking for that one?
18.5.
It's a good price.
That's not bad at all.
If I wanted an old Cadillac, I'd buy this one.
Yeah,
It's cool.
no, 100%.
Yep.
Okay,
But
so-
it looks really clean.
Yeah, engine bay looks nice. We can't see the
It's
frame
got
or the
upgraded
chassis at
wheels
all,
on
but-
it, or it could just be the hubcaps.
It's
It looks
really clean, honestly. This is a
Yeah.
cool one. Love that front
Cool.
end,
Yeah,
that
front
skinny
end's really
grill.
cool on that.
It's so cool.
Awesome.
Well, I'm pooped. We've looked at probably 80 million Cadillacs today.
You're what?
Well, thank you guys for checking out another episode of Chip's Picks. Use promo code CHIP for 50% off your first year of Hemmings Motor Club.
50% off your membership, not the car you're buying.
Again, Hemmings Motor Club comes with some really cool perks like Roadside Assistance and the elimination of the $100 fee every time you list a car on Hemmings. So if you're selling a lot of cars on Hemmings, you should do yourself a favor and join the club today.
We'll see you there.